You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly and clarify the pronunciation in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. More videos coming up. Tidy is how it's pronounced. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Tidy. 2 syllables. Tidy. Stress on the first syllable, the tie syllable. So it's not tiddy. It's never tiddy. Tidy. Much like tiny, but with a D. How to pronounce English pronunciation, tidy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.